Thank you once again for viewing us. Sana po nagustuhan niyo po ang content na ito with our talented guest now, si Quail, Sir Quail. Thank you talaga. Such a privilege for the Bicolana On The Go team. Hope you like and subscribe to our Bicolana On The Go YouTube channel, as well as our Facebook official page, Bicolana On The Go. And please don't forget to click the like button and the bell button for you to be updated of our next vlogs. Quail, sana mapaulahan mo din kami to do outro. Pwede mong pasample because you're a host.
Okay, I'll try.
Okay,
Sige.
please.
Alright, hello buddy, this is Quail, your host buddy, and the most outstanding youth of Camarines Norte. Now, I would like to encourage all of you to please help and support us. Do follow and click for more videos and vlogs of Bicolano On The Go on Facebook and YouTube. Then that's all. Thank you.
Yay! Thank you so much.
Okay ba yun?
Thank you.
Thank you so much po for having me.
Thank you for accommodating us.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye.